Hello everyone, today we have the Beats Fit Pro. Just came out recently, so I was quite intrigued with the new design with these wingtips. So I decided to give it a try. There are 4 different colorways for this. So there's a black, there is a white, there is I think a purple, and there is this grey one. The grey one's a bit of a unique color, and so is the purple one, so I figured let's try the grey. I think what would have been iconic is if they had the the traditional Beats red. I think that's the iconic color. Maybe they may do it as a red, apple red kind of a charity promotion thing at a later stage. So let's get started. So in traditional Apple style, you can unbox this by apparently just taking out these sleeves. So here we go. Let's rip that out, and that should make it a whole lot easier to take it out. And here we go. So you gotta love the Beats accent. You take it out, and that is the grey box. The grey box is quite small. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. It's actually quite comparable to the AirPod Pro boxes as well. So that is kind of cool that it's not overly big. I guess the debatable point here is that this doesn't have wireless charging. So if we put the iPods Pro next to it, of course it is definitely bigger, both in size as well as in depth. But that is to be expected. So this has USB-C charging, USB-C charging, and not Lightning, which is progressive in some ways. And then let's see what else is in the box. Okay, so fairly simple. We've got a very short USB-C to USB-C cable. We've got some of that plastic ear tips, and they've got try it free, complete your Beats with Apple Music. Get at least 3 months of Apple Music for free. Scan here. Wow. The Beats Fit Pro. Instructions on pairing, I suppose, and of course the Beats classic stickers, and you gotta love these stickers. They are iconic. They are as iconic as the Apple stickers. So now that's all there is in the box. So now let's look at what it looks like. That is sweet. That is just so sweet. That is sweet. If we just have a look at that color combination of gray with the very light green just makes it pop, doesn't it? And if we take this out, that's a very nice construction. These wingtips are soft, so they're quite flexible. They feel great, and of course they've got the Apple chip inside, so they'll pair with any Apple device seamlessly. And it's got ANC as well, active noise cancelling. So looking forward to pairing this up. So it's got the magnets on the side, so basically once you put it in, it will it will stick quite naturally. I think I've got it the other way around, wrong, right? Yeah. So always you got to get used to the new layout. But it's compact. It's not as big as the other Beats, which has the big, ear loop. So this looks kind of neat, very, very slick. So in terms of pairing this up, it's quite straightforward, right? So if we take any of the phones, take the phone and we just open it up, it should pair. So it should pair straight away. So press once on either earbud to play and pause. Press and hold on either earbud to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. And yeah, 70% charged out of the box, the earphones, and there's 49% inside. So there we go. So I'm gonna plug this in. There's a bit of a sound. And the music from Tidal is already playing.